My name is Hariharan. I am from Perry Institute of Technology, which is located in Manivakkam. I have chosen the domain of fundamentals of semiconductor. It is a very useful topic and I got many analytical and logical thinking in this. Thank you. Exams was, how to say, it is very analytical and also logical, ma'am. Normally we will study in, how to say, we just mug up and we will return the exam and we will pass the exam. But in this I got a experience that I have many logical thinking and reasoning, and even the mathematical I want to solve and I want to return the exam. So this is a very useful exam for me, and I encouraged many other people to join in this, ma'am. Ma'am, assignments, how to say, ma'am, assignments are also, it's very little bit tricky, and it is also made us to blow our mind, ma'am. And already we studied, I'm an electrical engineer, but I am learned some basic knowledge from my college itself that I am implemented in NPTEL also, in assignments also. With that I have a little bit knowledge about the fundamentals of semiconducting devices, and also I have problem solved with using the basic formulas and all, ma'am. For academical it is useful for me by logical thinking and ability, ma'am, and also for analytical also, ma'am. And how to say, in colleges they don't teach us more and more about everything, ma'am, but in this type of any special course or any special aided course means we can learn everything apart from colleges, ma'am. So this course was first encouraged my HOD ma'am only. First of all, she made me to register for this exam, and she is a guide for me also. She helped me to study and she brought some assignments, and she how to say, she is my proper criteria to join in this exam, and I want to return this exam. Course instructor is very friendly, ma'am, and they are very, how to say, friendly manner. I ask any doubt means they can without any without a hesitation or any discouragement, they openly sharing everything, ma'am. And thank you for NPTEL for giving me this opportunity. No suggestion, ma'am. The exam was very good, and I registered for another exam that was business oriented. That exam further will come for me. I am also very enthusiastic to attend this exam also, ma'am. Ma'am, I have enrolled 2 exams, ma'am. I have registered for another exam is next week for me, ma'am. But I have very, how to say, I was very happy, and for me it's very mind blowing to attend this exam, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to write this exam, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm Aditya Kumaran. I'm from SRM Vadapalni, studying my BTech Computer Science degrees, and this has been and talking about NPTEL, this is my second exam. I'm attending this semester, so this is my second exam. Today I wrote my Introduction to Artificial Intelligence exam, and NPTEL courses are, it teaches you more than what a person would learn in college in the syllabus, because, well, it allows you to specialize in a field. So I think it has helped me a lot. Yeah, the course videos, I mean, of course they are from the top professors and top colleges, so they are, it is good quality content, so I have learned a lot. I mean, I do not think it would be useful for my academics directly, but this has given me new insights today I wrote my artificial intelligence exam. I don't know if I would be learning in my college, or I would be ever using it in my college, but this is going to be more useful than what I'm learning in the college. So I would say, for purpose of a job or my career, this would be more helpful.
என் பேர் கோகுல். நான் ஃபைனல் இயர் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன். பனிமலை இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜில் ஃபைனல் இயர் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன். ஃபஸ்ட்டு இந்த கோர்ஸ் பற்றி எந்த ஒரு ஐடியாவும் இல்லை. நானாக யூடியூப்பில் தான் சும்மா ஆன்லைனில் தான் பார்த்தேன். கோர்ஸ் A to Z சூப்பராக இருக்குது. இந்த கோர்ஸ் நம்ம கேட்டு இந்த மாதிரி காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம்லாம் ஒரு ஸ்டோன் மாதிரி இருக்கும். எல்லாமே பேசிக்லேருந்து எல்லாமே நடத்துகிறாங்க. காலேஜில் உள்ளதுக்கும் இதுக்கும் என்ன டிஃப்ரென்ஸ்னால், காலேஜில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் மட்டும்தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. ஆனால் அந்த கோர்ஸ் வந்து A to Z எல்லாமே யாருனாலும் ஈஸியாக கற்றுக்கலாம். நம்ம எந்த பேப்பர்னாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். இப்போ நான் ட்ரிபிள் இ படிக்கிறேன்னா கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் பேப்பர் எடுத்துக்கலாம். எதனால அதே மாதிரி அசைன்மெண்ட் கொஸ்டின்லாம் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப கொஞ்சம் டஃப்பாக தான் இருக்குது. ஆனால் நம்ம கிளாஸை A to Z கவனித்தா அசைன்மெண்ட் கொஸ்டின்லாம் ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்குது. கோர்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப ஃப்ரீ தான். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு நான் வந்து ஒரு 4 கோர்ஸ் என்ரோல் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். மார்ச்சில் ஒரு கோர்ஸ் எழுதுனா இப்போ ஒரு 3 கோர்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு 1 நாளைக்கு 1 மார்னிங் அண்ட் ஈவினிங். மார்ச்சில் ஒரு கோர்ஸ் வந்து நல்லா ஈஸியாக தான் இருந்துச்சு, நல்லா 75% வாங்கினேன். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு தான் ஈஸியாக தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ இதே மாதிரி NPTEL வந்து நிறைய கோர்ஸ் வந்து ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணணும். கோர்ஸ் வந்து ஃப்ரீ தான். ஸோ எனக்கு என்ன பிடிச்சதுன்னா டீச்சிங் வந்து IITயோட ப்ரொஃபஸர்ஸ் வந்து A to Z எல்லாமே நடத்துகிறாங்க. மற்ற ஒரு ப்ரைவேட் காலேஜில் வந்து எப்படின்னா இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின் மட்டும் தான் சொல்லிடுவாங்க எக்ஸாம் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூ. ஆனால் இவங்க வந்து எக்ஸ்ட்ராவாக நிறையா சொல்கிறாங்க. இந்த எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வந்து எதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுனா கேட்டு காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் ISR இதுக்கெல்லாம் எல்லாமே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஒரு கோர்ஸ் மட்டும் நீங்கள் முடிஞ்சளவு என்ரோல் பண்ணுங்கள். அது A to Z பண்ணிங்க, கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு வந்து யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். எல்லாமே ஈஸியாக தான் இருக்கும். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச அசைன்மெண்ட்லாம் நீங்கள் சால்வ் பண்ணுங்கள். அதே மாதிரி டெய்லி வீக்லி வந்து லைவ் கிளாஸ் வைக்கிறாங்க. அந்த லைவ் கிளாஸ் வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. டவுட் கிளியரிங் செஷன் வந்து ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. ப்ரீவியஸ் இயரில் கேட்ட கொஸ்டின் எல்லாமே அந்த லைவ் கிளாஸில் வந்து இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. எல்லாமே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு கோர்ஸ் நீங்கள் என்ரோல் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் ஒரு சம்முக்கு நீங்கள் 3 கோர்ஸ் என்ரோல் பண்ணால் ரொம்ப நல்லது. அட்லீஸ்ட் என்னோடய இது பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒரு கோர்ஸ் என்ரோல் பண்ணுங்கள், அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்கள், அசைன்மெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக எக்ஸாம் வந்து கண்டிப்பாக ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். நீங்கள் ஒவ்வொரு கோர்ஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் அட்டன் பண்ணும்போது கேட்டுக்கெலாம் ரொம்ப வந்து யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஏதாவது ஒரு கோர்ஸ் நீங்கள் என்ன சப்ஜெக்ட் என்ன டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் எடுத்தீங்களோ அது ஓரண்டாக கூட இருக்கலாம். இல்லை எனக்கு இப்போ நான் வந்து ட்ரிபிள் இ படிக்கிறேன், எனக்கு ப்ரோக்ராமிங் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட், நீங்கள் எதுனாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். அது வந்து உங்களோட வில்லிங் தான். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் NPTEL டீம். இன்னொன்று NPTEL வந்து நிறைய கோர்ஸ் வந்து ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணணும், கண்டிப்பாக ஃப்ரீ. இதோட நிறைய பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் எப்படிலாம் கோர்ஸ் இருக்கோ அதுவும் NPTEL வந்து நிறைய ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ எனக்கு வந்து NPTEL வந்து ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக தான் இருந்துச்சு. இதை வந்து எங்கள் காலேஜ்லேருந்து யாருமே சொல்ல, நானாக தான் ஆன்லைனில் பார்த்து கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். ஸோ வந்து கண்டிப்பாக நான் காலேஜில் ஷேர் பண்ணுவேன், கண்டிப்பாக ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ NPTEL வந்து இப்போ என்னென்னா காலேஜில் வந்து ஒரு சின்ன ரூல்ஸ் மாதிரி கொண்டு வரணும். அட்லீஸ்ட் எல்லோரும் ஒரு NPTEL கோர்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீஷன் ஒரு இது மாதிரி வாங்கணும். ஒரு செமஸ்டரில் ஒரு கோர்ஸ் சர்டிஃபிகேட் வாங்கின மாதிரி கொடுத்தா கண்டிப்பாக எல்லோரும் வந்து யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருப்பாங்க. ஏன்னா இன்னும் சில காலேஜில் வந்து NPTELலாம் அதை பற்றி இம்பார்ட்டனே தெரில. ஆனால் நார்த் இந்தியாவில் எப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு காலேஜில் படிக்கிறீங்கன்னா ஃபஸ்ட் இயர்லேருந்து 4th இயர் வரைக்கும் கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு செம்மில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு NPTEL கோர்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி ஆகிக்கணும். அங்கே வந்து ரூல்ஸே இருக்குது ஒரு சில காலேஜில். ஆனால் இங்கே சவுத் இந்தியாவில் எப்படி தெரில. ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக வந்து NPTEL வந்து நல்லா ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ரொம்ப தேங்க்யூ. அதுமாதிரி இல்லை வீடியோஸ்லாம் ரொம்ப கிளாரிட்டியாகவும் டவுட் கிளியரிங் செஷன் எல்லாமே சூப்பராக இருக்குது. லைவ் கிளாஸும் நல்லாயிருக்கு. ரொம்ப தேங்க்யூ. கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் ரொம்ப ஈஸி தான். நான் ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணேன், ஆனால் ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக தான் கேட்டாங்க. என்ன கொஞ்சம் கால்குலேஷன் நிறையா இருக்குது. நான் எடுத்து வந்து ப்ராப்ளமேட்டிக் பேப்பரு. ஸோ நிறைய கால்குலேஷன் இருக்குது. ஸோ அந்த கால்குலேஷன்லாம் சில ஒரு இது. மற்றபடி கோர்ஸ்லாம் உண்மையிலே ரொம்ப ஈஸி தான். நம்ம ஒரு கோர்ஸ் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணாலே கேட்டுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம் கேட்டு ISRலாம் கண்டிப்பாக டெஃபினட்டாக யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு செமஸ்டருக்கு ஒரு கோர்ஸ் எடுத்தால் கூட போதும், கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். எனக்கும் தெரியாது, நானாக யூடியூப்பு ஆன்லைன்லாம் நான் பார்த்தேன். ஸோ நான் ஒரு கோர்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டேன். இப்போ 3 கோர்ஸ் என்ரோல் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். கண்டிப்பாக நல்லா ஸ்கோர் பண்ணுவேன். NPTEL டீம் வந்து ஃப்ரீயாக அதுவும் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுறாங்க. நீங்கள் எக்ஸாம் மட்டும் தான் பெய்டு, ஆனால் கோர்ஸ் வந்து ஃப்ரீ தான். கோர்ஸ் நீங்கள் வந்து யாருனாலும் எழுதலாம். இதுக்கு வந்து ஏஜ் லிமிட்டே கிடையாது. ஸோ நீங்கள் 30 இயர்ஸ் அபோவ் எழுதலாம், யாருனாலும் எழுதலாம். எல்லாமே இருக்குது. மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ், பயோடெக்னாலஜி எல்லா கோர்ஸும் இருக்குது. கிட்டத்தட்ட 690+ கோர்சஸ் இருக்குதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இன்னும் நிறைய கோர்ஸ் வந்து வரும். ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக ஜூலையில் வந்து கோர்ஸ் திருப்பி என்ரோல் ஓப்பன் ஆகும். அப்போ தயவு செஞ்சு எல்லோரும் வந்து ஒரு கோர்ஸ் மட்டும், உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு கோர்ஸு நீங்கள் பேசிக் வந்து பேசிக் எதுவுமே தேவையில்லை. நீங்கள் வந்து ஜீரோவாக வந்து கூட ஹீரோவாக மாறலாம். இந்த கோர்ஸை மட்டும் நீங்கள் இது பண்ணுங்கள். லைவ் கிளாஸ் மறக்காமல் லைவ் கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணுங்கள். வீக்லி இருக்கும். அதில் வந்து வீக்லி நீங்கள் அட்டன் பண்ணால் தான் உங்களால் வந்து அசைன்மெண்ட் வந்து நம்மளால் சப்மிட் பண்ண முடியும். இங்கே நம்ம நினைக்கிற மாதிரி அசைன்மெண்ட் கூகுளெலாம் போட்டால் சர்ச் பண்ணால் அதெல்லாம் வரவே வராது. கிளாஸை கவனித்தா மட்டும்தான் வரும்.
I am Butlin. I am from St. Joseph Institute of Technology. I have taken fundamentals of semiconductor devices as my course. The professor was Professor Bijoy Nath. He did a very well explained course. It is very useful for me, also for my career. Today I did the exam and it was very easy for me. There is a little bit problem in the calculator, but overall the exam is very good. Thank you. This is my first enrollment. I have enrolled so many, but only for exam I only applied only one. Yeah, question paper it's like you can pass if you did very hard work. For me it's my sem exam is also now, so I can't put very more focus on this, but I think I will pass. Yeah, that's I may. It depends on the course. If I can crack the course, then I will enroll, or else I will just go through the NPTEL and that's it. Yeah, I am a electrical student, so I am interested in the semiconductor field like Intel, AMD, NVIDIA. So this course will be very fundamentally. It will teach me about this diodes, transistors. So it's very it will be very foundation for me. Yeah, they did a very my expectation. They did better than my expectations. For every week there are more than 2 or 3 live sessions, yeah, given by them, the PhD students like that. You can interact and clear your doubts, and yeah, but if you attend them regularly, it will be very very useful for you. You have to spend time on that. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. So I have completed my NPTEL exam today. I am working as an assistant professor in New Prince Shri Bhavani College of Engineering and Technology. I have done this NPTEL course as part of my PhD research work. The exam was good and I have completed it well. So it not only enhances our knowledge, awareness of many topics can be, it's very helpful by this course. Okay, thank you very much. Actually many number of courses we can include, but as a part-time profession it's difficult to do many courses. As and when 6 months once we have courses, so we can opt for courses and we can do as many courses we want. So it's really helpful for us in our teaching profession. Course videos are self-explanatory, and also the assignments, whatever it is being solved at the end of the course, it helps us to write the exams well. Okay, thank you.
Okay, myself Nitya, and this is the first time I am attending the NPTEL exam, and I took environmental monitoring and quality analysis. The exam actually consisted of majorly mathematical questions rather than the theory. It was a bit tough, but I did. But theoretically, if we consider just the theory part alone, means we couldn't pass. You also need to attend the mathematical questions, and you should be thorough with your concept to attend the questions. Yeah, I'm currently pursuing my chemical engineering degree. I'm considering to go in the line of environment, so I think taking this course would just broaden my knowledge in the corresponding aspect.
How do you know about it?
It's a mandatory course in my college that we have to complete to have the credit. So, well, most of the videos were too long. It was 4.5 hours, and course material, I couldn't just refer the notes alone to refer the assignment notes in form of PDF they send, right? That alone to actually understand the concept. I actually had to sit through the full length of the video to understand the concept. Only few of them were very basics. Other than that, we need to put some extra efforts. Yeah, this is my first course. Regarding this course, it would be nice if we had any additional PDFs, like any additional supporting PDFs, and also it would be nice if we had more theory questions. Most of the time went solving the sums itself. I couldn't even check it because 66 marks of the total exam was sums. So actually, I actually tried to attend the live section, but only for the first time we had the live section. After that, we didn't have any live section. Yeah, I even checked the mail. I went to the Zoom and I waited there for like 40 minutes, 45 minutes, but I didn't get any entry, even if I went to the right.
I'm Ananda Shivakumar. நான் வந்து NPTELல ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம் அது போட்டிருந்தேன். இல்லை, இது என்னுடைய 2வது கோர்ஸு. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கோர்ஸில் 3 மார்க்ஸில் போய்ட்டு, 2வது கோர்ஸு ஃபஸ்ட்டு கோர்ஸ் வந்து E2 எடுத்திருந்தேன், மிஷின்ஸ் 2. இது வேறு கோர்ஸ் எடுத்திருந்தேன். அதில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கோர்ஸில் ஒன்றுமே படிக்கலை, சும்மா எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கறதுக்காக வந்திருந்தேன். காலேஜ் படிக்கும்போது எனக்கு தெரியாது. காலேஜில் ஒர்க் பண்ணேன். அப்போ அங்குள்ள ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கெலாம் நான் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணும்போது நானும் அப்படியே லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கிட்டேன். ஆரம்பத்தில் கொரோனா வந்ததுனால ஒரு 3 வருஷம் நான் எழுதவே இல்லை. அப்ளை பண்ணது சென்டர் வந்து லாங்கில் போட்டிருப்பாங்க, போக முடியாத ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷன் ஏற்பட்டு. லெக்சரர்ஸ்லாம் ஈஸியாக தான் இருக்குது, அசைன்மெண்ட்டும் பட் ஈஸி. ஆனால் அசைன்மெண்ட்டில் இங்கே உள்ள கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக வருது. எக்ஸாம் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. அதுவும் இல்லாமல் ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் சம்மாக வந்து இருக்குது. சம் வந்து ஃபுல்லாக அந்த இதில் சொல்லித்தரல, அது டீட்டெயிலாக எப்படி வரும்ன்ட்டு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வச்சு சொல்லித்தரல. அது கொஞ்சம் அப்படி சொல்லி தந்தால் கொஞ்சம் எங்களுக்கு இது கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும்.
I'm from Satyabama University, pursuing IT. I have enrolled in programming in C++. Assignments are okay, like it's intermediate level, so no problem. And so, lectures are great, and live session are also going in. This, so we have no problem solving doubts. Class always every day almost going on, and every doubt we have any doubt we can clear on Google Forms, so no problem in that. Great means too much, because in college we don't have that much. We do. It's my 4th course. Tomorrow is my next exam. Two I have given 2, and this was the 3rd one. No, because live interaction course are every evening there are live interaction classes also, so no problem in that. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Kabilan from KIMS. I came to write the BCBR exam, that is basic medical research exam. Questions are easy. Okay. What do you think about NPTEL? Yeah, they started recently, I think. It is fine. They are conducting this preliminary course for research. Yeah, I got many research ideas from this curriculum. I came through many topics which I was unaware before. So now it is very useful in coping up with my research in my future endeavors. Yeah, I finished before 1 month, and I started studying various materials which they provided in that Swayam app, and it was very useful, and I can already correlate with my MGR University curriculum which they gave before. Both regarding that software, where to inculcate, then fundings, from where we can get from ICMR, that sites, then EPI info software. Then they told to avoid Excel spreadsheet which I was using before. That's all. Latest, I didn't get any updates. Only I got that feedback can introduce modules about that software, how to use. I think only one video is there in YouTube. Then still more softwares are there for this Zotero and all is there. You can still introduce how to inculcate. That's all. Thank you.
I'm Jayashree from Sastra University. I wrote Enzymes Science and Technology exam. So the assignments were, I think the prerequisite actually helped me understand what actually I'm getting into while I'm in the course. So that gave me an idea of how much I need to be well aware of the basics so that I can actually manage the course. And the assignments and the explanations for each assignments were given, like the problems that I had during the that are being handled. It each had some detailed explanations, and the lecture notes provided were very helpful. And overall, the problem solving sessions that they had during Saturdays was also very helpful, because during that session I can actually go and ask them doubts regarding any sums or something else that I couldn't understand. So I think that was very useful for me throughout the overall course. And the materials other than that, like the detailed explanation that was provided after the assignments for the problems that we had, so that was also very helpful. Yeah. I have completed 4 courses as of now. So I think like each and every course I took soft skills and neuro instrumentation, now enzymology. So all these 4 were like very helpful, I guess, because during different courses for neuro instrumentation and all, we had 2 different lecturers and each of them took superb, and the videos where even if I haven't been able to understand the video, there were discussion forums again, so which went hand in hand in helping it. Yeah. I would actually take neuro instrumentation because I was passionate and I took that course voluntarily. And again this enzymatics also, because I think with the bio background I was easily able to cope up in that. The question paper, I guess, I think it was, I won't say it was too easy, but again I won't say it was moderate. I mean, some of the questions were like from the assignments itself, which I found very easy, but then again some were like, some of the questions actually linked back to other questions in the question paper, so even if I couldn't find the answer, if I could find the answer for the other questions, it would like easily trackable. So other than that, it was somewhere pretty confusing, so I think it was good.
My name is Advait. I'm from Hindustan College, Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science. I opted for Chemical Process Technology from NPTEL. So the exams or the questions were quite difficult, but the assignments were like good enough to give a knowledge about the course. But for the exams, it's necessary to see the online videos. So only then we can attend the examination properly. So this was my feedback about this.
Your first course?
Yeah, first course. It's my first course. Yeah. If we take the courses ahead for NPTEL, it may be quite useful for my course. I have preferred chemical engineering, so this course is really useful. It gives us a knowledge about the reactions taking place in many industries. So it may be useful for the people like us to like properly work in the industry when we go to that particular what happens actually there.
Myself Kalpana Sri. I am from Satyabama University and I have attended the NPTEL exam for the course Fuzzy Logic, and it was very useful for the placement time, and it doing the assignment is easy for attending the exam, and the exam was too easy. Thank you.
Myself Kirtika, studying BTech Textile Technology, final year in Anna University. I came for my final SEM paper like textile product design and development. This will give more credits and more knowledge about my core subject. Like I can able to know the depth of the textile technology through NPTEL, because as my academic course I don't have that much depth. Like in NPTEL I have lot of experience and knowledge. I gained a lot of experience and knowledge through it. I applied for 2 exams already. I completed the assignments, but I am not able to come and write the exams. This is my first exam to be written in the NCM. The questions and the teaching materials was too difficult to understand. Like if I came in the mindset of MCQs type. I did never know that they will ask a descriptive. My first batch students were told that there is a descriptive questions, and later on only I prepared for like a last one hour preparation is like that. I never know that MCQ. I usually thought MCQ will be the NPTEL pattern. It's a kind of different. So if they inform prior, that will be more easy. It's a surprise for me actually. Yes, it's a shocking, not surprise.
Thank you.
நான் BDS ஸ்டூடெண்ட். ஆக்சுவலாக இந்த கோர்ஸ் யூஸ்ஃபுல் தான், ஆனால் இந்த வீடியோஸ்க்கும் கொஷின்ஸ்க்கும் ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்குது. ஸோ அது கண்டென்ட்டுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி இருந்தால் நல்லாயிருக்கும். ஒரு சில கொஷின்ஸ் வந்துச்சு, பட் வீடியோஸ்க்கும் அதுக்கும் ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. வீடியோஸ் ரொம்ப பேசிக்காக இருந்த மாதிரி இருந்தது, கொஷின்ஸ் ஒன்றும் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது, அட்வான்ஸாக இருந்தது. வீடியோஸ் எங்களுக்கு ஆக்சுவலாக வந்து கிளினிக்கல் ப்ராக்டிஸ்க்காக கிளினிக்கலாக இருக்க மாதிரி தான் இருக்கணும். ஆனால் ரொம்ப தியரட்டிக்கலாக தான் இருந்த மாதிரி இருந்தது. தேங்க்யூ.
Myself, Fiyo Yobel. I am studying B.Ed first year in Loyola College of Education. So I took literature and life. So that is related to my BA and MA. So that's why I have chosen literature and life. Yeah, man. Ma'am. Absolutely, the course was ultimately beneficial because I studied in my UG and PG. The related topic only I came to know in that NPTEL courses. It was very useful to know. So it will help me to crack the NET exams. So it was very useful for me. Yeah, ma'am. All the video contents are very effective and innovative, ma'am. So the assignment was conducted effectively. So the time duration is measured in that assignment for 10 minutes. For each question, 1 minute it carries. So everything is organized, well planned. I will recommend for my colleagues. Then after I am completed my B.Ed, so after once I received in any schools, I will recommend this course to the upcoming students for next generation. So many of them fail to watch the video fully because it is in online mode. So they fail to watch in that online mode. So if you improve in offline mode also, it will be very effective. Thank you.
This is Sivishan Mukha. I am from SRM University. Currently I am pursuing third year in CSC IoT. Yeah, I am taken in advanced programming language. Yeah, it helped me a lot to do in logical programming. Like how can I tell you? The questions which I have taken this course for. I am weak in logical solving. It improved for me.
Okay, so I am Blessum Kuldeep from MGR University, and I am I have taken CSC AI. So the subject which I took in NPTEL was advanced computer networks, and it really helped me to learn more about computer networks and what are all the troubles we are facing in nowadays, in recent technical advances in this present generation, and it helped me a lot to learn about our computer networks. So far I have taken only one certification, that is advanced computer networks. Most of the contents are provided by our college. So most of the first thing we referred was from NPTEL website, that videos that were provided, and all the doubts we had, we asked our teachers and they clarified our doubts. Yeah, we have a subject called computer networks in our syllabus, so it was very much similar to it, so I felt it very easy, giving NPTEL exams and all. Yeah, there's something you can improve, the videos, it is so the students, as per our mindset, we get bored, just a teacher standing and teaching about stuff. So editing and putting more creative things in the videos will help the student to get focused on that videos and watch it more carefully. Apart from that, everything is fine.
My name is Vishnuvardhan, and this is a new experience for me, and it is good to write the exam and to gain knowledge about the e-business course I am choosing. It really helps me very well, ma'am, to gain knowledge about a particular topic or something about we learned.
Hi, my name is Divakar. I am currently doing my BE in the third year in Panimala Engineering College. In my college they just said to write these exams, and I really thought it would be helpful for my future, and I can learn new courses not only in my core department, I can also learn in other departments also. They are very detailed, and they are starting from scratch, and I can understand everything. Like I said, they are covering every portions, every corner they are covering, and it's very helpful. This is my second exam. I am currently in my third year. Second year I have done one exam. Yeah, sure. Next I have another year to complete. Before that I will do another exam. I am totally satisfied with it. If I want to say no, ma'am, I am really satisfied. That's all. Thank you.
So yeah, I'm Jashwanti. I'm doing a course, MBA course in Ethraj College for women. So I've taken the course called Introduction for Intellectual Property, and so academically it was actually beneficial because I'm doing MBA course, so I need to know about all this intellectual properties, like if I'm actually doing a business, I need to know what kind of procedures are be taken under for filing trademark rights, and so it was beneficial. Definitely yes, if there is a need for to gain more knowledge about any particular area, I will definitely recommend NPTEL. If I will definitely recommend them because the course keeps on updating us with a lot of information, and they keep us engaged with a lot of weekly assignments. So we will definitely gain a lot of knowledge. It's not just we can register and then come back and write an exam. They keep us engaged all the time. So it's good enough already, and Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Shweta, and the course name was Introduction to Intellectual Property Rights for Engineers and Technicians. So the material were fine, the teaching was also fine, but I feel the video was 6 years old video, and I feel like so my topic was intellectual property rights, right? So in the past 6 years there have been many changes, multiple amendments happened. So I feel the videos are very old and it should be updated. But we had other references, and I watched NPTEL videos on YouTube which were like little newer than the course enroll. So I feel the videos can be little updated. Yeah, definitely. I can take it at the convenience of at my place. I can do it at my own time. I have the freedom to make my own notes and ask questions, the doubt solving sessions. I think it is pretty convenient overall. Definitely, it has given me a credit score. I mean, hopefully if I pass, I will hopefully. So it will give me a credit score, and it has given me an overall knowledge on various intellectual property, because as an MBA student, I feel it is very important for me to know all these concepts, and it has definitely added up to my knowledge. Yeah.
How many courses have completed so far?
This is like the first course I'm completing, and I have enrolled for another examination which will be conducted tomorrow. So 2 courses.
How many courses do you plan to take up in the future?
Depending on the needs, I do wish to take a Python course because I'm interested in that. So depending on the interest and the updation of the videos, I will consider taking multiple courses.
Okay, will you recommend NPTEL courses to your friends?
Yeah, sure. If you update the videos, I will sure. Yeah.
Okay. Just keep on seeing our NPTEL website for more updates.
Definitely. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. The examination process was excellent, was smooth and error-free. I think that is very, very appreciable. Thank you.
So myself, Kirtana, I had applied for OOAD, Object Oriented Analyzing and Designing. So the exam was a bit easier and moderate for me. Most of the assignment questions are placed over there, and it invokes my thinking ability, and it was also helpful for my academic as I have a subject OOAD for this semester. That's it. Thank you. Yeah, sure. So that we can gain some knowledge as no. Yeah. Thank you.
So myself Ibrahim. So I took the course about like blockchain and applications. So regarding the course, like like we can talk in bilingual. Yeah. So courses while taking the video sessions means they can improve themselves, because like we are from Chennai, they are from like the faculty is from like IIT Kharagpur. So their part of language and our part of language is it's not getting similar. So right now, which means like much more easier இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் explain பண்ணிருக்கலாம் அவங்க நினைச்சிருந்தாங்கன்னா. But like same, as soon as the same for me as in an example like Bob and Alice, same examples there எப்பவுமே வந்துருது. So they can try in current scenario and everything. So in online like sessions are everything in online, but they can improve a lot, because like we are expecting more from them. So that's the only feedback, like they can improve themselves. This course has helped me already, like how can I say, so in case of blockchain, so I'm completely a non-technical person, so currently moving myself to the technical side because I like the blockchain side, industry 4.0. so that's how like it helped me a lot to get that. any other courses. Yeah, if it's permits, like if my conditions permit means, like currently I am pursuing in my career in NBA business analyst. So if I need anything to search upon cloud computing and everything means, NPTEL will really helpful for me. So that's all. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all present. Myself Avinash, studying PhD in Savita Institute of Medical and Technical Sciences at Tandalam. The NPTEL courses were very trustworthy, and it is very useful to crack what are the upcoming scopes and what are the future exams. So I'd like to thank the entire NPTEL team for organizing giving me such a wonderful opportunity to crack what are the questions. So upon the today's exam, I feel like a little bit nervous, but I somehow managed to crack the exams. But the overall content of today's exam is very beautifully designed. So a very entire thanks to each and every NPTEL team for giving me this opportunity to attend the exam, and again I say thanks to NPTEL team for giving me time to complete the assignments on time. So I hope that I will pass. I've taken this time I've taken two courses. One is Applied Environmental Microbiology, which has happened on today, and another is Environmental Biochemistry and Microbiology, which is supposed to happen on tomorrow. If it is in the future, I have to definitely focus on research methodology and what are the other courses related to my field. Academically means during my during my BTech days, I could not be able to complete my NPTEL as it is a COVID-19 pandemic. So without writing the NPTEL exam, I just secured an only certificate, the course completion certificate, and in MTech days, I've written NPTEL exam in such a way that I got a 55% of scores. So it helps me score more marks professionally and academically. So the BTech and MTech days, which I've told, are academical levels, and the PhD which I'm doing is a professional level. So I hope that I will be getting more marks. Thank you so much.
Myself, Dr. Devanayagi. I am working as an associate professor in a private dental college and hospital. I have taken this Swayami NPTEL course of medical emergencies in dental practice. Being a professor, actually this is a really wonderful course. I'm so glad to be a part of this program, and the questions were up to the standard. And I am recommending for all the dental students who should take up this course, because the question setup and the clinical scenarios what they have given is completely amazing questions they have selected, and it would be definitely useful for all the practitioners also, because it's completely clinical based questionnaires, and it's a thorough brush up for me as well. And thank you so much for conducting, and the organizing team, they have conducted really, they have done a good job. Thank you so much.
Hi all, so I'm Haripriya from St. Peter's College of Engineering and Technology. So I came to know about NPTEL through my director of college. So he suggested all the students and staff to register for NPTEL, and that is where I came to know about this. So this course is absolutely very useful for me, because the bridge gap between the completion of my course and the position right now what I am taking in was very useful to complete the gap. So I felt this course was very useful, since this was taken by IIT staffs. They handled the course very usefully, the feedbacks and the solution class every weekend. That was really awesome, and I feel every 6 months once I would like to take every courses. Thank you. Yes, definitely. Related to whatever subjects I'm handling, I'm ready to take. Regular classes we have every weekend. We are having some problem solving session. In case we have any doubt, there we can solve, like other people, so that they'll solve it and clarify the doubts. So in that way, and moreover when they take class, the video itself is very clear, because they go very slowly. Every part by part they are explaining it very clearly. So there itself it's very comfortable to understand. Apart from that, if we have some doubts, it's very comfortable that we clarify in the weekends. So yes, it's very useful. Yes, definitely, because I have just started my career as assistant professor after 10 years of my masters. Like I have 10 years gap in between after completing my masters. So there, to complete the gap of that, this course is very useful, and moreover the syllabus which I have learnt and the subjects which are available now, it's totally different. So in that case, this course is very helpful to me.
Good morning, I'm Godwin from Hindustan University, and I selected the course Fundamentals of Automotive Systems, and it was a 12-week course wherein the professor had a very good lecture in terms of all the explanations, starting from the powertrain till the brake systems, or till the end of that differential. He explained all the concepts in a very clear manner, and the exams was better when we attend all the assignments, because that has helped us to attend this examination very easily, because all the questions have been from the assignments, and the assignments, if you do really well and if you didn't know how to solve, when you see the solutions, it has really helped out. And a few questions were really tricky, but still it was a fantastic experience. It differs actually. Here in NPTEL course, the case studies are provided and live sessions were given. So that was really entertaining in NPTEL course, which you don't get in normal classes. I have 3 more plans, 3 more courses I wanted to do, but not immediately, in subsequent years. Academically it has helped, and professionally also it has helped me. Thank you.
என் பேர் முருகன். நான் வந்து ப்ரைவேட் கம்பெனியில் சேல்ஸ் மேனேஜராக ஒர்க் பண்ணுறேன். இந்த கோர்ஸ் வந்து எனக்கு ஒரு ரெஃப்ரெஷர் மாதிரி இருந்தது. கோர்ஸ் கண்டென்ட் வந்து ரொம்ப ரெலவெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது, ஈஸியாக அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குது. அதுவும் இல்லாமல் ஃப்ளெக்சிபிளாக இருக்கிறதுனால படிக்கிறது ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்குது. இன்னும் இதில் வந்து நிறைய நாலேஜ் கெயின் பண்ண முடியுது. வெரி வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல்லு. நிறைய பேருக்கு நானே சஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ.
So myself Manjula V. I'm working in Wales University as an associate professor, and I have last time also I took the NPTEL exam. It was useful, and it is used for to improve our learning and technical skill also. Now today I have took the exam on Introduction to Research. So Introduction to Research is very useful for us while studying about the patents and publication and all, and it is very useful, and for the not only for faculties, it is also useful for the students. Thank you.
Myself Ellekan, I am from Anna University, Chennai. இப்போ NPTEL வந்து என்னோடய அகாடமிக் எப்படி அச்சீவ் பண்ணுறதுக்குன்னா, இப்போ நான் வந்து ஃபைனல் இயர் படிச்சுக்கிருக்கேன். இப்போ எனக்கு வந்து ஃபைனல் இயர் ஃபைனல் செமஸ்டரில் ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் அப்படின்னு ஒர்க்கில் நான் கம்பெனி இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் ஒர்க் பண்ணிக்கிருக்கேன். இப்போ வந்து என்ன காலேஜில் வந்து ஒரு கோர்ஸ் என்னால் பண்ண முடியாது அப்படிங்கிறப்ப நான் NPTEL மூலமாக என்னால் ஆன்லைனில் கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணி சர்டிஃபிகேட் சப்மிட் பண்ணி நான் ஒரு கோர்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுறேன் அப்படிங்கிறது. என்னோடய ஓவரால் லேர்னிங் இப்போ நாலேஜ், இப்போ நான் வந்து ஒரு டெக்ஸ்டைல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், டெக்ஸ்டைல் டெக்னாலஜி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டு. இப்போ நான் அங்கே படித்த அளவுக்கு பேசிக் எல்லாமே படிச்சிருப்போம். இங்கே ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் டெவலப்மெண்ட் பற்றி ஒரு ஓவராலாக படிக்கிறப்ப ஒரு நியூ கோர்ஸு, நியூ பிளாட்ஃபார்மாக நல்லா அவங்க எஜுகேஷனுக்கு ஏற்ற பட் நம்ம நாலேஜ் நல்லா கமர்ஷியலாக இருக்கிற நாலேஜ் வந்து இதில் கேதர் பண்ண முடியுது, பேசிக்கை தவிர்த்து. நான் வந்து NPTEL வந்து ப்ரிஃபர் பண்ணுவேன், ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணுவேன். ஏன்னா நம்மளால் வந்து ஒரு கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ண முடியல, ஒரு சூழ்நிலை, நம்ம வெளியே போகிறோம், ஒரு ஒர்க்கு அந்த நிலைமை, காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டாக இல்லாமல் ஒரு ஒர்க்கிங் ப்ரொஃபஷனலாக இருந்தாலுமே நம்மளால் வந்து NPTEL படித்து ஒரு கோர்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி முடியும். அதனால் வந்து NPTEL வந்து ப்ரிஃபர் பண்ணலாம்.
So my name is Janakolli, and I am studying MCom final year at Kovilambakkam Vaishnav College. So I did my NPTEL course in Advanced Strategic Management, Human Resource Management. It was so beneficial, like it will help to give many more value added points in my resume. So, and most of the questions from assignment, so it gave me more knowledge about human resource planning and strategic advanced techniques. So this is about my course.
Hi, my name is Dr. Balakumar. I am from SRM Arts and Science College. My course is Marketing Management 2. Marketing Management 1 I did in the previous semester. So this one is very refreshing for me, that I remember the things I've studied, and moreover our college is insisting us to do the NPTEL refresher courses. So the only struggle I faced is the venue, because it is around 30 to 40 kilometers from our college. That is the only difficulty I faced. So it was a very good experience. Thank you so much.
So I am Priya. I am coming from SRM Institute of Science and Technology. I am an assistant professor, so in the Department of Biotechnology. So I have chosen biochemistry as my course. So we have biochemistry as one core subject. So actually all the assignments were helpful to teach, not only for me to develop my knowledge, also to teach my students in an easy way. Specific course means, yes, of course, we will be having environmental biotechnology as one course. So that course is mainly related to all environmental factors. So that course I will be specified for all the semesters. So it impact me, so also not only to develop my knowledge, also to it impact my teaching experience also. So by referring videos, by referring the materials given by the NPTEL portal, SPIAM portal, we can also adapt easy method to teach students and also make them to understand easy. I would recommend NPTEL to a greater extent because all the not only my course, all the courses which they are giving training and they are giving the assignments, all the courses are necessary for the current student to update their knowledge. Thank you.
I am Dr. J. Uma Devi. I am from SRM. It is the third experience of my NPTEL examination. Already I wrote 2 times and I got a above 60% of this NPTEL examination. But this time I felt very tough questions is there, and it is a good experience to me, and the conduct of examination procedures also very nice, and the examination center is very comfort and they give good support to us, and physically and technically. Thank you so much.
So hi, I am Shashikant Mohanty and currently I am studying in second year BTech CSC. I am from SRM Institute of Science and Technology. Yeah, the course which I did in NPTEL was from an IT course, and of course the professor he was explaining the concepts very well, which not only helped me in my academic marks, and this also providing me a certificate, so which will help me in my placement matrix in my college as well. I have done only 2 courses in NPTEL, so based on that I can give my review. So the first one was the joy of Python programming, and yes, as I told, of course it was very helpful, and that could increase my efficiency in Python as well. And yes, yeah, that's all. NPTEL, the best part was that after the week videos we were assigned some quizzes and some programs to solve. So that is the difference between the classroom learning and the NPTEL which is providing.
My name is Subhashri. I am from SSN College. I have done discrete mathematics course this term. I found it very useful. It was simple to understand also, and the videos were very self-paced, so I could take it in my own pace and learn it as well. It was nice. I think one thing that missed in this course was transcripts. We didn't get transcripts in PPTs, but otherwise the assignments were great. And I think the advantage is that you can do it in your own pace and rewatch it and learn as many times as you want. And the fact that they have live sessions and all of that, it's more support. Yeah, I've actually done this to substitute it in my college also. So yeah, it was very useful. Yeah, I've already done a few more. I will do more as well. Yeah, I think it's one quick way to learn. Like when you learn stuff from the internet without taking a course, it's not that easy to maintain the consistency. But I think when you have exams like this, it's more easier to be consistent.
Dr. Puligesi, basic course in biomedical research, the exam எடுத்துட்டேன். It was nice. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோன்னா கொஞ்சம் ட்ரிங்கிங் வாட்டர்ஸ், இந்த ஸ்நாக்ஸ் அது மாதிரி கொடுக்கலாம். இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இந்த க்ரௌடு இவ்வளோ க்ரௌடு இல்லாத இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் சோஷியல் டிஸ்டன்ஸை மெயின்டைன் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ அதெல்லாம் நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. நேவிகேஷன்ஸ் நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. அந்த அதில் ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. அது கொஞ்சம் நல்லா இருக்குது. இது லெக்சரபுளாக வந்து நமக்கு கொஞ்சம் பீஸ்ஃபுல்லாகவும் இருக்குது, அதே மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருக்குது. நான் வந்து பிஜி மெடிக்கலில் பிஜி பண்ணுறதுனால எனக்கு வந்து இந்த கோர்ஸ் பேசிக் சயின்ஸஸ் பயோமெடிக்கல் ரிசர்ச் கோர்ஸ் வந்து மேண்டேட்ரி நான் பாஸ் பண்ண வேண்டியதில்லை. ஏன்னா ரிசர்ச் டெசர்டேஷன் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ்க்கு இது கண்டிப்பாக தேவை. அதனால் வந்து நான் அந்த கோர்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டேன். இட் வில் பி வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல். அதை நான் பண்ணிவிட்டேன். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் தட். கண்டிப்பாக என்னோடய கொலீக்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து இந்த கோர்ஸ் இந்த டெஸ்ட் எடுத்துப்பாங்க, அடுத்ததில் வருவாங்க. தேங்க்யூ.
Hi, I'm Rajlakshmi. I'm a research scholar from Madras Institute of Technology. So the subject that I wrote today was computer vision and fundamentals of image processing. So this is my third NPTEL exam which I'm writing actually. The course was very good. Some of the lectures were very lengthy, more than an hour, which was actually a patience, testing patience to my attention span. Probably I'm studying after a long time, so that was one. But the course content almost covered all the important topics. Good enough. The lectures were very good. The problem solving sessions over the weekends was very useful for working professionals like us. And the lecture notes, the content, the PPT that was shared on time was very useful. So overall, I like this NPTEL experience. Thank you. See, we've got used to this virtual classes over this pandemic, and this is at our convenience. This is more self-paced, so I'm able to spend more time. The assignments were quite tough, I should say, than the previous times, but we were able to invest time, and it was worth studying the course. So I enjoyed. Yeah, I'm supposed to complete 4 papers in my coursework. So this is my second paper. I've cleared one paper already. So this is my second one. So of course it is helping me for, instead of going for classroom trainings, I can finish NPTEL for my credits for my PhD coursework. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sir, actually I took a NPTEL course for programming in C++, modern C++. The exam menu is very good and cleanliness. I have done the exam well. Let's share the few words now. Yeah, the lecture video is very good. And Parthima Das sir has took this course for us. And the sir has provided some materials and practice sessions for us. And finally, they have conducted some doubt session classes. And then the sir has cleared our doubts. Assignments is somewhat tough for me, so because and then after the answers have been published, I could able to find a correct answer. I could able to rectify my mistakes. NPTEL course is for just 3 months, right? So we could able to and it's online sessions, recorded sessions, and we could able to see that recorded sessions whenever we are free. So because of that, we could able to spend our time efficiently. Still, I have taken for only one course. This is my beginning. So this course has been offered by our college, SN College. So I will definitely do more courses in future. In academic, I could able to face advanced questions here while compared to our college academic syllabus. So we could able to in future we could able to face the most important and strategic questions in our interviews in my interview. So NPTEL course is best for attending the interview sessions in the future. Yeah, I recommend her for my younger brother, and also so he may attend this NPTEL course in future in college.
So I am Somasundram, and I am from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, and I am doing my 3rd year BTech in CSE, and I took natural language processing as my NPTEL course. I was quite interested in natural language processing, so I was about to discover it, so it was really interesting, and it was overall a very good experience for me. The lecture video was really helpful, and the problem solving sessions was also really helpful, and the PPT almost covered all the topics, and all the assignment questions were relevant to the lecture. Yeah, for sure, because it's overall a very good experience for me, so for sure I will recommend it. So yeah, in NPTEL the course is in depth, so the professor teaches every topic in depth, whereas I think it lacks in the normal academic course, so it surpasses everything like the academic. So overall my experience was I learned really well, so I got a good knowledge, I think, so it was good. Yeah, I almost solved all the assignment questions. So the last semester I took data science for engineers, so that was also really good, and this is my second course in NPTEL. Thank you very much.
I'm Jayashree from Sri Sairam Engineering College. I have written database management system. Okay, everything is good with what I did, and actually I didn't cover most of the lecture videos, but I watched the slides, and I've taken this course only in our college it is mandatory, and I've taken this for credit transfer, but it was actually very good, and the lecture slides was also, explanations is also very good, and it is very important course as well, and I enjoyed learning. They gave real-time examples in some situations, so it differs from that. Yeah, sure. Because in college we don't have the much interaction with real-time experience, and they gave examples with real-time experience, so it matched that.
I am Tarun Karthik. I am coming from Anna Nagar. The exam is very useful for me. The course is also very useful for me. I adopted course for e-business. It is very informative, and that teacher that is YouTube teaching is very good. Yeah, in future I will plan. No, I want this now only I started. In future only we can do.
Thank you.
I'm Santosh Kumar. So I had appeared for the course host pathogen interaction, that is immunology. So NPTEL and SWAYAM, they are doing extremely good work in conducting excellent courses, very informative and very useful also. And the way the examination was conducted also was very good, and the questions were very useful, and also it's a good, so it's a nice experience. Yeah, all the various videos and the PPTs, whatever they give is very useful, and in a very simplified way they are giving. So I've already appeared for a few courses before, so it is very useful. I think more than 4-5 courses. Yeah, because it's all they give a very simplified format, and so the MCQs also they assess you in such a way whether you have learnt or not. So this is a very good platform for all the age group people. Yeah, definitely it gives an additional boost, like to gain more knowledge and also to compete in the further things in the particular domain. Yeah, I've taken about health research fundamentals, basic course in biomedical research. Very good. But research methodology, biostatistics, they are all very good.
My name is B. Subhash, and I have taken Introduction to Database Systems. I was able to understand all of the videos, but some of them were difficult to understand. So I saw extra other YouTube videos and learned. They taught more other extra material, and I gained extra knowledge from NPTEL.
I'm Vaidegi, and I wrote Applied Environmental Microbiology. So கிளாஸ்லாம் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருந்தேன் இவ்வளோ வீக்ஸ், அண்ட் ஏதோ பண்ணியிருக்கேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் எக்ஸாம். யா, இட் வாஸ் குட். லைக் ரொம்பவே நல்லா டீச் பண்ணாங்க, ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல்ஸும் இருந்துச்சு, ரொம்ப ப்ராப்பராக இருந்துச்சு. இந்த ஆன்லைன் கோர்ஸ் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. தே கிவ் எவ்ரி நோட்ஸ், அண்ட் ப்ராப்பராக கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிறாங்க, கரெக்டான டைமிங், அண்ட் அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே கொடுப்பாங்க. அதான் நான் 2 கோர்ஸ் ஜாயின் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். 1 கோர்ஸ் இப்போது முடிச்சிருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த் இன்னொரு கோர்ஸ் எழுதணும். இப்போ நான் அட்டென்ட் பண்ண கோர்ஸ் வந்து என்னோடய அகாடமிக்ஸில் இல்லாத கோர்ஸ் தான். ஸோ இது எக்ஸ்ட்ராவாக படிக்கிற மாதிரி காலேஜ்லேயும் இந்த கிரெடிட் கோர்ஸ்க்காக சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. ஸோ அதான் நான் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். தேங்க்யூ.
So hi everyone, I'm Tanuja. I'm pursuing B Computer Science Engineering in Sairam Engineering College. So நான் இன்னைக்கு எழுதின எக்ஸாம் வந்து Introduction to Database Management System. As all of you know, database management system placementக்கு ரொம்ப ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டான சப்ஜெக்ட், அண்ட் அதை NPTELல படித்தது இட் வாஸ் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல். எல்லா கோர்ஸ் கண்டென்ட், லெக்சர்ஸ், அசைன்மெண்ட் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப சூப்பராக இருந்துச்சு. Thank you so much. Lecture videos and assignments எல்லாம் on time post பண்ணிடுவாங்க and of course solutions மே பக்காவா டைம்க்கு இருந்துரும். It was all in a good format. Readable இருந்துச்சு. Normal regular classes. Okay. Significant difference அப்படி எனக்கு பெருசா எதுவும் சொல்ல தெரியல. But yes, course content and quality regular class விட நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. That was the major difference. எங்களுக்கு கிரெடிட் பேப்பர்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் செமஸ்டர் கன்சிடர் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ அகாடமிக்ஸ்க்கு இது ஒரு யூஸ்ஃபுல் கோர்ஸ். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
Yeah, I am Siva Prasad. I am taken the test of product design and management. Amit University. It's good to understand and easy to study. Yeah, it's easy to understand and more important points are given. So easy to take the test. It's improve my knowledge and differ from others. It's help to differ from others in interview field.
Hello everyone, I'm Akilan from Sairam Engineering College. I'm currently pursuing my BTech degree in Information Technology, and I enrolled in a course database management, and the lecturer was very nice, and most of the questions were asked from the assignment part, and overall the exam experience was nice. Thank you. Okay, the staff, I think he's Professor Samantha, and he taught very well, and our mentor guided us in a good way. Overall it's a very nice experience in this exam. Yeah, for normal regular courses it's very flexible. NPTEL is very flexible. We can learn wherever way we want through mobile or laptop. It's very flexible and it's very nice. Actually this our college follows a credit system. If we write this exam, this will be transferred into our credit.
I am Dr. Soumya. I am working in SRM College as an assistant professor. I have chosen strategic performance management. It's a 8-week course. This course was a little bit difficult compared to other courses which I have already done. I think it can be a more case study oriented and all those things, so that this time the question paper was also little bit over theory oriented. Last time when I attended consumer behavior, it was very easy, and I had all the application oriented question, so that it will be easy for us to attend the answers and all those things. The assignments are all also okay. All the answers were available when we go through the PDF. It was available. All the answers we used to get, and if you read the PDF, it's enough to get through the assignments. Regular classes, it's a very standardized. We get all notifications, regular reminders for everything, so that we never skip any assignments. Usually when we attend other courses, we don't get regular notifications like this. So it was easy for us to attend, so that we are not missing any hall ticket download. We are getting both mobile notification, email notification, everything. It was just like that. Anything related to HR or management, like that.
How did the NPTEL course help you to achieve your professional goal, academic goal?
In our organization they are insisting us to take up courses, and before that also I have done 1 or 2 courses, and it is helping us in our performance appraisal and all those things. Thank you.
Hello, I am Mugila. I am happy today because last time the venue was so distant, but this time it was met my expectations. So also the questions in examination is also good, and the handling of staffs in the venue is also good. The venue is also clean. Only one thing that if there is any non-proctored examination for us to get practice with this, it will be easy for us to attend the exams. Thank you. Overall, the lecture videos and PPTs, slides are all good. Using that only I was preparing the exams. Thank you.
My name is Jay Vignesh, studying at Sri Sairam Engineering College. My name is Jay Vignesh, studying at Sri Sairam Engineering College. And the course I have taken is Computer Network and Internet Protocol. And the course is so perfect. I mean, the questions which I have answered right now, it's all from basically the assignment questions. Like 30% of that is from assignment question, and from video lecture I can able to answer like 40% of the question, and from my self preparation I can able to attend the rest of the 30%. So it's overall a perfect course to take. And yes, thank you. Few video lectures was good, but few video lecture was so worst. I mean, there are two staffs for us, and one staff he's so good. He took that every topics perfectly. I mean, for 4 weeks he came, and for the rest 8 weeks another sir came, and I didn't understand what he thought, to be honest. So I read the rest of the 8 weeks from the PDFs. Assignments are so useful. I mean, you can easily score the pass mark only by reading assignments. No other extra things are required. Assignments is so perfect if you want to score a pass mark, and if you want to score more than 70 or 80, you have to go through the videos lectures. And if you don't understand video lectures, you can go to assignments too, and the PDFs. In normal classroom session, usually I don't have the habit to listen the class. So I am a person who will study at the last time and score a good grade. So NPTEL, I took about 4 to 5 days to learn, and I hope I'll get over 80, which is a thing which I also do in classes. So basically NPTEL reduces the time waste. According to me, going to class is time waste, so I feel NPTEL is so perfect comparing to my classes. Thank you.
My name is Yashwant. So I took the NPTEL course. So the course I have taken was database. It was pretty moderate, and I did well. Yeah, waiting for the result.
How was the video lectures, assignments?
Yeah, the video lectures are pretty well designed, and it was the assignments are pretty moderate and always easy to navigate. So in normal syllabus we study always the basics, but in NPTEL we cover always the most important part of the subject or syllabus. Yeah, so the course this course has been taken for the credit transfer from database. Thank you.
This is Dr. Tainmuri, working as professor in Ahmed University. I have done a course. In yoga for a positive career and approach. That is a very good course. Using that, my positive approach towards well-being has been improved, and I have from the reaching this destination is first of all very easy, very easy. After that, from the first assignment onwards, the instructors, the faculties has helped a lot. Here in the assignments were submitted in the appropriate time, and the lectures he has given a very good lecture material, and he has taken the lecture in a very good manner and slowly and steadily. That was very good for understanding the concepts, and the feedback was also very good, and the destination is good, and the exam center is also all the facilities, and the examination invigilation, and overall I have given a very good feedback. I found it very easy, and it was very helpful and needful also. Thank you so much.
Myself Jyoti Lakshmi, working as an associate professor in Wales University, Pallavaram, and I am just taking up the course NATE, NBA accreditation for teaching and learning in engineering, and it is a 12-week course, and the course the syllabus and the video uploaded, the teachers N.J. Rao and Rajinikanth from both from Bangalore. They just took handled the classes in an efficient manner, and of course the transcripts and the assessment methods and all, it was very helpful for us to review the content, even though we couldn't go through the video and all. So it was very useful, and since I am a faculty, so the process taken place in NBA accreditation, we just gone through very well, and it will be very useful as a faculty when we are going to accreditation process for our institution. Definitely we will get through if our institution, if our department going through the NBA accreditation process. I have a confidence to go through all the criterion from 1 to 10. Yeah, of course, these and all handled by very eminent professors and all. So the course syllabus, the content related, the course are well formulated, so that it's very, very useful. Nothing to improve, I hope so. Thank you.